Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 14.1 question number 6. Copy the diagram and complete each shape to be symmetric about the mirror line. This is the mirror line, right? That we can draw like in this way, that this line can be drawn. This line can be drawn in this way. And this line can be drawn in this way. And this line can be drawn in this way. Right? And this line can be drawn. This line can be drawn in this line. And this line can be drawn this line. Right? This is the line. Right? That means you can draw in this way one line. Next line is here there are two lines of symmetry, 1, 2. For this mirror line we can draw a line like this one, then this one, then this one, then this one, right? This line, right? And this is also mirror line, right? This one and this line, and this is also a mirror line that we can draw another line here, then here, then here, then here, then here, this line, this line, this line, this line, this one, and this one. Right? Now you see, this is the image of this figure. Right? Now, third question. Third one, suppose this is the mirror line. For this figure, we can also draw like this. If we take this mirror, right, for this image, we will get this image. And for this one, we'll get another image like this. Right? That means we are getting this one, D, C. Now question number D. Question number D, how you can find the figure you see. And find in this way that you can do in this way, that is, this is a, first you draw this line, draw this line straight, and you can draw another line, that is this one. That means you can draw this line, two lines straight, that is this one is straight line, then this line, or you can draw another line with this one, is like this, right? And this line can be drawn this one, and this one can be drawn in this way, that is this way, two lines. That means we will take one line here, and if we join this one, we will get the symmetric about this figure, nearly symmetric, right? The points are here there, but you can do nearly symmetric in this way, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.